Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to change your center brake light or third brake light, whichever name you call it, on a Nissan Versa. This is a 2017 Versa. I'm going to show you how to change this right here. Alright, so you want to get in the car, you want to get yourself a flathead screwdriver to get underneath there to change that right there. Alright, so what you want to do, you want to get a flathead screwdriver, push it underneath here and push it, and it's gonna pop up like that. As you can see, then you want to hold it and bring it back towards you, then it will come out like that. And under there, right here, you're gonna see the plug to squeeze right here to unplug that. Alright, that's how you do that. This is the new one right here. You just wanna plug it in like that. You line it up with the holes in the front. Once you get it hooked up, you can push it down like that. Alright, and you can double check your work, make sure it's good, make sure the light's on, which I'm going to show you how to do it. And here you go, the parts number is right here. You can pause it and get the part number, as you see right here. You can get it from there. And so let's get something on the brake pedal and check the light at the back. So I got that on the brake pedal, pressing the brake for me while I come around here and check my work. As you can see, it's working. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. Peace out. See you next time. Nissan Sentra.